What is artist in Korean? Artist in Korean is
예술가, 예술가.
again. Artist in Korean is
예술가.
How do we write 예술가 in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable ye, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by the ye character itself. For the second syllable sul, we need to draw first a siyot character, u character, and real character. And for the last syllable ga, we need to draw a gil character and an a character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 3 syllables to write 예술가 in Hangul.
And with that you've already learned what is artist in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is author in Korean? Author in Korean is
작가, 작가.
Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here. At Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.